All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're tackling a massive problem, one that almost every growing company faces. How do you manage all that growth without getting totally bogged down by complexity? Well, we're going to be looking at a solution called Logic Flow, a platform that's really designed to be the operational engine for the future of business. So let me ask you this. Is your business drowning in complexity? I mean, it's a super critical question, right? Because as you grow, the complexity just explodes. All those processes that used to work, they get tangled. All that critical info gets locked away in different silos. And before you know it, the very systems that were supposed to help you grow are actually the ones holding you back. And this is what it feels like on the ground. We're talking about real operational drag. You've got teams that are completely overwhelmed, constantly jumping between a dozen different apps. Your data, well, it's everywhere, which makes making smart decisions painfully slow. And the impact on the bottom line? It's huge. We're talking thousands of hours just lost every single year to inefficiency. And that is the exact problem Logic Flow was built from the ground up to solve. It's a direct, really intelligent answer to that complexity that just kills growth and innovation in today's world. Okay, so what is Logic Flow really? Think of it as a next-generation AI-powered ecosystem. It brings together the muscle of an ERP, your enterprise resource planning for all those core business processes, and the smarts of a CRM for managing customer relationships. The whole mission here is to streamline your operations, pull all your workflows into one central place, and just help you make smarter, data-backed decisions. And this is what that unification looks like in practice. We're talking about bringing all the critical parts of your business, sales, HR, finance, inventory, and customer management into one single cohesive platform. Look, this isn't just about making things convenient. This is about completely eliminating those data silos and fragmented workflows for good. So that's the what. Now for the how. How does it actually work? Let's pop the hood and take a look at the intelligent engine that's powering Logic Flow. Okay, so the foundation is built on something called a multi-tenant SaaS architecture. Now, for any global B2B company, this is absolutely crucial. What it means is the system is engineered for massive scale and efficiency. But here's the key part. Every single company gets its own completely isolated, secure data environment. So you get all the benefits of a modern, shared platform, but with the rock-solid security of your own private space. But here's where things get really game-changing. Layered right on top of that architecture is the AI-driven intelligence. This is the real core of the platform. It's what actively automates all those routine workflows, gives you predictive analytics to see what's coming next, and delivers reporting in real time. It's a fundamental shift, moving your teams from doing manual, reactive work to focusing on strategic, proactive initiatives. And the difference this makes is just night and day. Think about it. Before, you've got manual tasks, data scattered everywhere, and you're making reactive decisions based on reports from last month or last quarter. With Logic Flow, those manual tasks become intelligent, automated workflows. Your data becomes centralized and clean. Your decisions are guided by predictive analytics, and your reporting happens right now in real time. It's a total operational upgrade. Powerful tech is one thing, right? But what does all this actually mean for the people who have to use it every single day? Let's talk about the human-centric impact, the real value it brings to every single person in an organization. For business owners, for the C-suite, it all comes down to one word: clarity. Logic Flow gives you that single source of truth, a high-level, real-time dashboard of the entire organization. And with that kind of clarity, you can make confident, strategic decisions that actually drive the business forward. Now, for managers, the biggest win is full visibility. They get a clear view into their team's performance and how the work is actually flowing. They can spot bottlenecks instantly, optimize processes, and just clear the path for their teams to do their best work. And what about the teams actually doing the work? For them, it means streamlined processes. It's the end of that repetitive, soul-crushing manual work. When automation takes care of the tedious stuff, your people are freed up to use their real talents on things that matter, like solving tough problems, engaging with customers, and innovating. And here's the best part. All of this internal efficiency has a direct, powerful impact on the person who matters most, your customer. When your teams are aligned and your data is unified, you can deliver faster, more consistent, and truly personalized experiences for your customers, and you can do it at scale. So when you put all of these pieces together, you start to see that Logic Flow is way more than just another piece of software. It truly becomes your company's new operational backbone. You know, there's a quote that just captures this perfectly. It says, "It's not just software, it's an operational backbone designed to support long-term scalability." And that's exactly it. This isn't about a short-term fix. It's about building a solid foundation for sustainable, long-term growth. And that really is the ultimate vision here. It's a future where your business operates not with tangled complexity, but with absolute clarity, precision, and intelligence. So it kind of leaves you with one big question. What could your organization really achieve if it was finally free from all that operational drag?